hands. We are so handsome. How long do you stay here before you go? How Obadina say how long with us before you go? You are Nigeria.
I'm not going back.
We are come to a citizen.
I'm not to go back again. My mama don't.
Oh, that's you.
Because you're 70. Green engineer, my strong.
You go feel right.
I'm telling you, I go feel right. And anyway.
What's in there? You know, Kaya.
Oh, yeah, my pennies.
Nice small like this.
Hey, sorry, Alma. Sorry. You know, I really like you.
Okay, they're funny.
Oh, yeah.
They like your matter.
I hear people, I give more money, people.
You get money?
Yes, I get money.
You should say you get money.
I swear.
Which work way they do?
You say?
Which work way they do?
Pass you. Oh, I'll sell the panties and the tops and the shirt, everything.
Let me say you don't get money. You get small money.
No, so. You know that's right. Yeah, I give money. That's what money.
You give this like money.
I'm telling you.
Hey, oh.
Oh, but you, really, I really love you. I really love you. No. Forget about my age. It's a number. My real age is 23.